Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PS5 to Cox Wi-Fi. First, let's make sure your hardware is ready to go. You will need your PlayStation 5 console, your Cox modem, and your Wi-Fi router. Confirm all cables are securely attached and that your internet service is actively running. We will then walk through the simple steps to get your console online. This ensures a smooth and quick setup for your gaming sessions. Before diving into the settings, proper router placement is crucial for a strong, stable connection. Place your Cox router in an open area, ideally at least several feet off the floor, to avoid interference. Power on your PlayStation 5 console and verify that your router's indicator lights confirm it's broadcasting Wi-Fi. A good signal strength, especially for 5 GHz networks, significantly improves your online experience. Now let's connect your PS5 to your Cox Wi-Fi using the easy method. From the PlayStation 5 home screen, navigate to the settings icon, then select Network and finally set up Internet connection. Choose the easy option. Your console will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Simply select your Cox network from the list. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password, which is often found on a sticker on your router. For users who need more control, the custom Wi-Fi setup offers advanced options. After choosing custom, you can manually configure settings such as your IP address, DNS servers, and MTU. Many gamers find using public DNS servers, like 8.8.8.8, can enhance their connection speed and reliability. For MTU settings, typically leaving it on automatic or setting it to 1500 provides the best performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.